Okay, so I bought 2 pairs of jeans that I decided I'm going to use to make skirts out of. I got these from the Goodwill. This is 1 pair, and what I'm going to do is first is just cut the legs off because I'm going to use some shirts. These 4 plaid shirts is what I think I'm going to have enough. If not, I have 2 more that I can add to this, but I think I can work with these 4, and I'm going to use these shirts to make a skirt. So the top part is going to be the jean material and the bottom part is going to be the shirts, and I'll show you how I'm going to lay everything out, and then I'm going to sew everything together and make a skirt out of it. Now I'm going to add pockets on the sleeves that are in the front. So I have it marked on this one and then on this one. And all I'm going to do is make a strong stitch going back and forth, maybe 2 rows of a zigzag stitch just to go across here so that when I reach in at the front, I'll have 2 pockets. I probably won't really use them, but I just want to have them there just in case.